Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the basics of off-grid power systems. In this video, we will dive into the world of off-grid power, exploring the fundamental concepts and key components you need to know as a beginner. To start off, let's understand what an off-grid power system actually means. Simply put, it is a self-sufficient energy system that operates independently of the traditional power grid. By harnessing renewable energy sources like solar or wind, you can generate and store your own electricity to power your home or other applications. Now that we know the basics, let's explore the key components that make up an off-grid power system. These include solar panels, batteries, charge controller, inverter, and backup generator. Each component plays a crucial role in gathering, storing, and converting energy to power your devices and appliances. Properly sizing your off-grid power system is essential to ensure it meets your electricity needs. Factors such as your energy consumption, location, and available sunlight or wind resources should be considered. By understanding these factors, you can determine the right capacity for your solar panels, batteries, and other components. Installing and maintaining your off-grid power system requires careful planning and regular upkeep. From mounting solar panels and connecting batteries to wiring your inverter and generator, every step is important for optimal performance. Additionally, maintaining battery health, cleaning panels, and monitoring system efficiency are crucial for long-term success. Off-grid power systems offer a range of benefits, including energy independence, cost savings, and environmental sustainability. However, there are also considerations to keep in mind. These include upfront costs, system limitations, and the need for backup power during extended periods of low energy production. Proper planning and understanding these factors is key to a successful off-grid experience. Congratulations! You now have a comprehensive understanding of the basics of off-grid power systems. Remember to assess your energy needs, research the right components, and plan your installation carefully. With the right knowledge and resources, you can embark on a sustainable and independent energy journey. Thanks for watching.